Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today this big boy's area is getting cleaned out and his house is getting fixed because he tore it apart. So nice. As you can see, he's peeing on his face. Lovely. So the hubby built this stanchion-like contraption. We're gonna put Sampson in it, and I just shut the power off to the electric fence. We're gonna pull this piece of fence right here back, and then he's gonna take the skid steer and get in and clean up all this hay, because he can practically walk over their old hay feeder. Now we're using these IBC cages. Hello there, Sampson. He's a big boy, so we're not going to mess with him. So he's going right in the chute. Yes, baby, I know. You're such a handsome fella. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. But I think you did your job this year, so quit peeing on yourself. You can't have any of the kids over there. Comes the mean machine. Alright, well, I'm gonna put the camera down. We're gonna load up Sampson and hope all goes well. Hopefully all goes well. You know how this could go. You gonna be good, Sampson? Are you gonna be good? Yes, you're a good boy, huh? He's gotten a little frisky past few days. I think a couple of the kids are in heat. So we're gonna try to fix a few things. But we'll be back.
Alright, well, it worked. He was a little unsure, but hey, bud. What's up, Sampson? Yeah, is that good? Huh? Is that good? Is that good? Sampson. Now, anyways, it worked. Although, might have made it a little more narrow. Could have went like 20 or 18 inches, but it's working so far. It's kind of the first rendering. I'd like to have a head gate, and then I'd like to have something where I don't have to screw them in to hold them in there. Although, you know, he's going to be in here for a little bit until we get all this cleaned and repair his house. Alright, so let's get to work.
Let me tell you, that is some tinky stuff. Has one scoop. I just have to be careful where I'm walking. It's starting to get slimy now. Baby. I wish you could smell what I'm smelling. You're good. got plenty of room over here. Try not to hit Sampson. Try not to hit the freezer or a tree or this post. Because as you can see, we don't have rocky ground. So pounding T-posts is a nightmare. So once we get them in, we like to keep them where they're at. I hope you're not hearing too much wind, because it is windy. Whoa, whoa! Trying to drift in here. Oh, hell. I'm moving. Out of food, Sampson. You can't turn around. Don't try. Alright, well, I'm going to watch him get this last load here so he doesn't bust his board. Rip down the electric line. It's right here, Baba. Right here. Okay, the house is pushed, the wall's pushed back in, and then we're gonna cover it back up with the rubber instead of the plastic. Can't get any more of this hay out, so resorting to pitchforking it. And it is heavy, isn't it? Sampson's being decent for now. Gave him some grain. He hardly ever gets that, so hopefully he'll back out of there when we're all through. Alright, I don't think you need to watch pitchforking, but okay, I gotta move.
Okay. Hey, Sampson. Hey, bud. Hey. Is your belly full of grain? Yeah. He's a big boy. Alright, so I fixed his house. It's probably pretty hard to see, but I put it all back together, kind of strengthened it up, put his salt block inside so it doesn't just get eaten away by the rain, and put his hay feeder back, and I took out, oh man, 3 feet of hay, poop, and pee, and then I put these flitches between the trees, and I put some electric on it because over there is Elvis, the other buck. All I gotta do is get him water. But so up here, this is the pile of hay and manure that come out of there. Oh, big. What is that? 5 feet tall and I don't know, 10 feet across. It's pretty big. And so this thing worked really well. Pretty happy with it. Like I said, I would like to have, you know, doors on here. He had to poop and pee all through it. But other than that, worked good. It's definitely, I made it 2 feet wide. That's like, you know, all the way out. So this is about 22 inches wide in here. And it would be, could actually be skinnier. My only, you know, qualm with that is it could probably be like 18 inches wide. A smaller goat than Sampson could definitely turn around in it. But also it'd be tippy, pretty tippy. So, but I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, I'd like to be able to get where I could have a headlock on the end of it and some kind of door back here. I don't know, one of these days. But right now I'm just going to get it covered up so rain and snow doesn't destroy it. Try to maybe clean up a little bit of that grain, and that's it. So that will, let me see here. Can you see me? It's crazy, the sun in and out of trees, and whoo, there we go. Anyways, so thanks for watching, and comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I guess we'll catch you on the next one. We've got a big storm coming in. Today's Friday, so Sunday into Monday, and then Tuesday we have snow on the way, so who knows what'll happen between now and then. But thanks for coming along, and we'll catch you later.